I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make your own caramel. To begin, ensure you have all your essential ingredients ready: granulated sugar, water, heavy cream, butter, and a pinch of salt. A crucial piece of equipment is a heavy-bottomed saucepan, which helps distribute heat evenly and prevents burning. Also, have a heat-proof bowl or jar nearby for when your delicious caramel is complete. Getting organized now makes the entire process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's start cooking. Combine 1 cup of granulated sugar with 1/4 cup of water in your heavy-bottomed saucepan. Place it over medium-high heat. It's important not to stir the mixture once it starts boiling. Just let it cook. Keep a close eye on it as it transforms from clear syrup to a beautiful, rich amber color. This golden hue signals that your sugar has perfectly caramelized and is ready for the next step. This next step requires a bit of caution. Slowly and carefully pour 1/2 cup of warm, heavy cream into the hot caramelized sugar. The mixture will bubble up vigorously, so keep stirring constantly. Next, add 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter, cut into pieces, and continue stirring until it's completely melted and smoothly incorporated. This process creates that wonderfully creamy texture we all love in caramel. You're almost there. Once the butter is fully incorporated, remove the saucepan from the heat. Now stir in 1/2 teaspoon of sea salt. This really enhances the flavor. Carefully pour your freshly made caramel into the heat-proof bowl or jar you prepared earlier. Let it cool completely at room temperature. Once cooled, your homemade caramel is ready to drizzle over desserts, mix into coffee, or simply enjoy by the spoonful.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.